Greetings and welcome to this training video about how to use the usage summary and transaction audit logs for LC phone. So you want to make your way to settings at the bottom left, go to phone numbers, click on Trust Center at the top, and here you can start your A2P submission by clicking on Start Registering Now. Start to fill out all your details. Your profile needs the business details, the business address, and after you inserted all your contact information, hit Continue. Confirm once more. Here on the next page, if you scroll down to the bottom, you've got those two new checkboxes. The next update is within audit logs now within the agency level, as well as in the location level. You can see the HP print and campaign submissions, as well as the resubmissions. Head over to settings on the bottom left, select audit logs. In the drop down menu, select LC communication, and you will see the HP submission popping up right here. Click on View Details. You can see that it has been submitted. The next update or new feature is to be able to see the new message segments, as well as the call duration, under Summary and Transactions. Again, you can find this under the phone numbers on the left, and then Usage Summary. At the top here you can see the summary of how much you spent this month so far, last month, and the previous month. Please note this is visible only to agency admins. Scrolling down, and here you can see the detailed transaction. Here you can see this was an SMS. Let's click on the ID. Here you can see number of segments, one segment. You've got much more information. As well, you've got the contact name, when it's been sent, the transaction, ID, type of SMS sent, and so much more. Now let's select one of the recent calls this sub had. Click on the ID, and here you can see the call duration, which is 90 seconds. And lastly, now you're able to delete the connection for sub accounts directly from the agency phone integration page. So make sure you logged into agency account. Go to settings bottom left and select phone integration. Right here under Suban settings, you can select your account in question, hit the little pencil icon, and right here you can see the delete connection button. Another enhancement is the wallet balance check-in on the A2P submissions. High level has introduced to check up on the A2P submissions to make sure that the sub accounts or agency is active, along with the wallet balance is not in the negative. Thanks for listening to this video about how to use the usage summary and transaction audit logs for LC phone. For more videos like this, or to make a request for additional training videos, please go to the main menu and add a comment ticket.